Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to buy gems on Clash Royale. To purchase gems in Clash Royale, first of all, open up the Clash Royale application on your device and on the main screen, go ahead and tap on the treasure box at the bottom left, which is also known as the shop icon. Once you are inside this shop menu, go ahead and scroll through the options and look for gems. Inside gems section, you'll see various gem bundles available for purchase. Tap on the gem bundle you want to buy and then you will be prompted to select a payment method depending upon your device. You can also pay via Apple Store, Google Play Store, or other available payment methods such as credit, debit cards, PayPal, etc. Confirm your purchase by following the on-screen instruction, and the gems will be added to your account. So that is how you can easily purchase gems on Clash Royale. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.